Well, it is election season officially now, and Congress General Secretary for East Uttar Pradesh, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, is in Uttar Pradesh, the most important state for now, for a 4-day trip. She's set to hold meetings with party workers in Lucknow and also discuss the election strategy. India Today, in fact, has accessed her open letter to party workers where she's deliberated upon problems faced by youth, women, farmers and labourers, and that she's been urged to the workers to provide suggestions over any possible changes in Uttar Pradesh Congress ahead of Lok Sabha elections. And starting Monday, which is tomorrow, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, take a look at that, will be embarking on a 140-kilometer long Ganga Yatra from Prayagraj, erstwhile Allahabad. So that means she will be travelling from the Chhatnag in Prayagraj toward Bhadohi, then Mirzapur, and conclude her 4-day trip in Varanasi, PM Modi's constituency.
स्वराज भवन आनंद भवन अपने पैतृक निवास पर आशीर्वाद लेंगी। वो जल मार्ग से मां गंगा के बीच से उसके दोनों तरफ रहने वाले जो गरीब तबके के, साधारण तबके के, निषाद, केवट, मल्लाह, किसान, जो धर्म कर्म से जुड़े लोग हैं या बहुत से लोग हैं, इन सबको लेते हुए, मिलती हुई, उनसे संपर्क करती हुई वो पहुंचेंगी उस शहीद के घर में भी जिसकी शहादत हुई है पुलवामा में।
मुख्य उद्देश्य लोगों से मिलना है, जनसंपर्क करना है, और वही मुख्य उद्देश्य है। बाकी तो उस रास्ते में क्या क्या ज्ञान प्राप्त होता है, क्या क्या और जो सरकार के दावे हैं वो झूठे साबित होते हैं, वो तो रास्ते में पता लगेगा।
In fact, India Today decided to travel with Neta Priyanka Gandhi while she was en route Lucknow. Here's a report of how economic her travel is.
चुनाव का मौसम है और चुनाव के मौसम में लगातार चाहे वो भाजपा हो या कांग्रेस हो, सभी दल अपने सूरमाओं को सियासी अखाड़े में उतार रहे हैं। प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा भी उन्होंने पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश की कमान संभाली। अब देख रहे हैं कि फ्लाइट में वो नॉर्मल इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट में यहाँ से निकली हैं दिल्ली से और लखनऊ जाएंगी। उसके बाद उनका पूर्वांचल का पूरा दौरा शुरू होगा।
Well, let me go directly now to Mosmi Singh. You see her on the screen right now sitting next to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Now, Mosmi, travelling economy, clearly, you know, it is an attempt at political posturing, but how do you see it? What are you looking at there when you're travelling with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra? What is so different about her travel this time?
See, clearly Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, this is actually her debut into politics. Just a month back, she kick-started this campaign by a roadshow, and then there was a sudden lull. So Priyanka wants to get back into action. There is very little time, and obviously the Congress wants to maximize the output that they get with that short schedule. And that's one reason before Holi you see Priyanka treading the entire stretch from Prayagraj to Varanasi. The key point is that Congress and Priyanka Gandhi in a letter indicated that Ganga was a symbol of unity. It was also a symbol of equality amongst all caste, creed and religion. And that's one reason that Priyanka wants to go out to the common man and do Sachi baat with Priyanka. That means Sachi baat means talk the truth. And that's the space that the Congress is looking for. It's looking for to revive itself. And what better the party thinks than the bastion of the BJP, than the constituency of the Prime Minister, Pooja.
And so there is going to be boat pe charcha, Mosmi, as compared to chai pe charcha. Thank you so much and all the best to you for that travel with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. We'll continue to get you ground reports very soon on this.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.